Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Isa Lopez. So I'm here at Kilong Fish Port now at the moment, but we're going to the rock formation. So that's my friends. They are my friends. Yeah, this is Kilong Fish Port. So we're walking on the street, pretty woman. Ang init. So we are walking now. Of course, we're going to the rock formation. There's a lot of what's that? There's a lot of car here. So be is Kilong. I think we walk for 15 minutes to arrive there. So the seafood restaurant, you can choose what you want to eat so that they can cook. And this is their this is the swapping. This is delicious. Yeah, we called halo halo. It's beautiful. This is the view. There's also a convenience store there. It's called Family Mart, and there's a temple. There's a lot of tourists here right now. This is the temple. I think that is the temple. There. Oh. Ajay, nakapayong tayo, isudahan. Nakapayong nakasombrero ba, tapos sudahan. So we still need to walk for 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes. That's the toilet. So no problem if you're... What's that? Yeah. Pata ka nag-English ba? Nag-aging earth. Smell fish, of course. That's the boat they're using for catching fish. Yeah. So we still continue to walk. Yeah. Ano yun nasa taas doon? Doon sa taas yun, umiikot. No, that is also for seafood restaurant. Yeah, you can choose there if what you want, they want to cook for you. Yeah, sorry my Englishing. I just want to you all understand what I want. I want to say, because I have also some viewer is not only Filipino. So I'm trying. Yeah, so fish market. Oh, that's the one they use for catching fish. Oh, that's... Saan tayo? Saan tayo nga? Diyan ang agtugaw. Say hi. Hi. We already almost arrived. Yes, we can eat already. Also already there. Yellow Geo Park. Also there. Oh. Ano no, dito niya. Dito, diretso. Lakad lang. So, 2 a.m. 2 p.m. Time check. It's 2 p.m. here. It's so hot. Very hot. Saan? Oh, yan. Oh, milk tea. Sige ba? Yan, tapioca. Tapioca. Masarap pa yan. O yung passion fruit na sa akin. We will drop here to buy. Passion fruit na lang sa akin. Passion fruit. Nagatusaw ipay, nagpachang ko. Kaya ano? Liang pay pachang ko. Passion fruit.
百香果，
对。Yeah, passion fruit.
百香果，
百香珍珠野果，
Yeah.
百香 fruit，
百香 fruit。
Yes. Two.
我的客人回来了，我走了。
dragon passion fruit，
Two.
ikaw,
And
dragon fruit mango sa mango，
shampoo sa Marati, shampoo.
OK， 芒果菜是，芒果菜是，这个跟这个，
我要 medium.
这个两个，
Passion fruit is small only and medium. Small and medium.
mango，
Hello.
那个 Y 菜是，垃圾，
Only large. Oh.
芒果 Y 啊，百香，
Yeah.
这个吗？
Yes.
这个百香，差不多，这个呢？三个，
两杯.
蔓越莓跟
We're here, Yellow Park, Yellow Geo Park. So, ayan na. Naiihi ako. So, this is our ticket. It's, nagpicture na ako. 120. New Thai $1. Parang 1,000 ang kulay. So, yan. Video. So, ito na yung aming ticket. Ticket for the Yellow Geo Park. Akin niya.
Pag-isangin na lang. Dapat tayo po.
This is passion fruit. That's a pachanko here. They call pachanko, and the English is passion fruit. This is the entrance. Oh, bigay mo na. Hello.
Okay,
Suka.
四个 1 2，
谢谢。Una. Super, oh. Pero pang nature center doon, oh. So, this is the view there. Ayan, oh, maganda, no? Isu Peninsula.
Sumbong kita.
So, ito ang kailangan naming maglakad bago makarating doon sa may rock formation. May buslan? So fresh air.
Iba na yung ano niya.
Ganito pa rin.
Yan, ganyan tayo mo po nun. Maganda din naman doon sa kinainan natin. Maganda ng ano, ang liwanag parang.
Ano to? Diamond of Queen's Crown. Ah, that's the diamond of Queen's Crown.
Bago yan, wala yan.
Oo.
Ubusin mo na kasi yan.
Wala na bang basurahan? Ubusin na natin. Ang ngal-ngala ka, mangag ko dati. Say hi. So this is it. Nandito na talaga kami sa may Geofort. Mga rock formation. Dito na may tag-picture ni. Agpintasan ni. Diba dati-dati di ko di kay kayo. Ah, so beautiful. I love it. So, that is the sea. Hindi pwedeng maligo dyan.
Merong part na pwede.
Ay, na, 1 dito yan.
Baka doon. Oh, doon na kasi mas bago yun. Di ba? Apaan daw yung The Queen's Head? Dito na pan ididiya eh. So, what's a beautiful view? Oh. So, ang ganda, di ba? So beautiful. Excuse me. After this, I'm already become tan. Love it. So, eto na siya. This is really rocks. Saan ba tayo? Ito ba? Init. Kaya tayo ba sa taas? Bato talaga yan. So, we are at the top.
Solo ba? Akat muna tayo dalawa.
Init. Doon pa. Diyan, oh, sa may ano. Pwede na mag-picture dito, oh. Dito ba?
Napagod na ako.
10.
Naliginan pa sa yung dala. Wala na rin ang tissue. Meron ako dito napkin. So pamunas. Meron akong wet tissue. Diyan. Wala tayong picture dyan.
So, ayun na. Want to selfie kami. Want to selfie. Ang init lang. Pati yung kilikili. Basang-basa. Basang-basa sa pawis. So, lipat na kami sa kabila. We're going to the other side over there. So, not so hot. Not so hot already. No more sunshine. So, ang ganda ng creation.
Bawa yan, oh.
Ng God creation. Pero, pwede pumunta, no? Crossing. So, ang ganda lang, diba? So beautiful. Yeah. It's beautiful. There's a lot of tourists here. Asan yung Queen's Head? Ay, yun ang Queen's Head yata. Oh, doon. Oh, yung parang Queen's Head nga ng ano. We're going to the Queen's Head of the stone. Of the rock. Hindi siya ano pala. Saan?
No? Parang hindi mamatay ba?
Wala akong...
Ang sarap tumira sa ban. Sabi itong ano,
so, ang daming pila. Pipila sila sa Queen's Head. Diyan tilalaki, dyan eh. Teka ron. That's only our video for today, mga loves. So, ito yung gala namin ngayong Sunday. Hope you like it. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon again. Bye. Thank you for watching.